Plug her in. File folder. Test. A lot of colors on here. And these guys, using the M2 hoop. Loading M2 hoop. Let's go. I'll show you a little tricksy poo here on this little square. I got 2 pieces of this stabilizer. Vinyl is notorious for shifting and moving, so she sucks. It warps very easily. So I'm gonna spray. This is my favorite spray to use. And I'll spray a little bit on the back. First piece, I'm going to put it down so it looks exactly the same. See? Spray again. I do this when I'm testing because I don't have time to prep all these tiny little pieces. This is a 3-inch square. This one goes opposite. Okay? Diamond pattern stabilizing. Should look like this. Should look weird. Okay? Opposite. Diamond. Now this ain't gonna go anywhere. It's gonna be nice and flat now. Typically I would have put some type of iron-on stabilizer, but we're testing, and when we're testing we're going really fast, and I'm just using scraps, so I don't have time to be prepping. And then I'm just going to tape it on down so it covers my placement stitch. Scotch tape. Just look at the back. Don't mind this random thread. This thread is not the placement. The placement is right here. Load her back up. Make sure you wait to press play when the little phalanges are not near the needles, okay? Pro tip. And play. I inserted a pause right here because I have more colors in the design than needles available. So I'm going to swap out number 7, because look how easy it is to swap out number 7. It's right here because I already ran number 7, which was this gray color. And now I'm gonna swap it out with another color that I need. Now it's not gonna stop until it's at the point where I need to add felt to the back so I can sew it all together. Change out needle 7, put it up here, trim it. Now I will just watch her stitch out, but I won't have to swap any more threads out. It should just do everything for me, and I'm just gonna watch, take notes, see if there's anything I would like to change about this design. Last step, let's take her off. Gotta flip the hoop this way, like this, flip it over, and we wanna cover all the stitching with something of a similar size. So I just cut out another 3 by 3 inch felt piece. I'm gonna spray the felt. We'll make sure to cover them. This is all happening on the back side of the hoop, right? So it's gonna stay. Now load it back on. And now this is going to get sewn together. So the top will now get sewn to the backing that I just put on. Look at that. It's nice and flat. No warping because we use that method that I told you about. Remember, stabilizers for the fabric. It's to stabilize the fabric. That's why I attach the stabilizer directly to the vinyl, because I know it's extremely unstable, that it tends to warp, and especially under a lot of heavy stitching. So at this point, all you have to do is just tear away all the stabilizer and cut them out. If you would like to try and make this snowman for yourself, you can actually find the file for this exact embroidery design available for free in my Facebook group. I've been doing this for about 2 years now, so there's a good number of files if you want to get started. These are great. They're beginner friendly. They're great for 4x4 users, and they're really versatile. There's a lot of different ways you can use these. People put them on everything from a badge drill to on a cup cozy or even a Kindle sleeve. If you can hot glue it to something, felties are for you.